Hello, welcome to our tutorial on Divider widget. Are you struggling with showing different content sections in Swipecart? Having a divider between blocks helps not only in visually separating different areas but also in improving the UI. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to add and customize the divider widget on your current design. In the Widget panel drop-down, select Divider. Drag and drop the divider to the design. Are you looking to change the height of the divider or even the color? And click Edit Divider. On the Edit Divider window, you can change the height of the divider. Click Color to add a suitable color that matches your app's UX. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on this screen. Click Save. To make a copy of this divider, hover your mouse and select Copy Block. Once the block is copied, navigate to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. Your divider is copied. You can also remove this block by clicking the Remove Block option. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the added divider on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your divider widget on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.